This new lesson is about guest room supplies. In guest room supplies, we have different type of guest room supplies where we found bed linen, bathroom linen, guest room amenities, and tea facilities. So we are going to start with bed linen. And the reason why we are having this is to make us familiar with the linen that will be used while cleaning in the guest room. So starting with the guest room in the bed linen, we can start with night frill. This is what we call night frill. It helps to decorate the bed. Here we have the mattress protector. Mattress protector, as the name said, it's for protecting the mattress from stain. After we have bed sheets. We can have different size of bed sheets based on different size of the bed. We can have single bed sheets, queen bed sheets, and king bed sheets. We have also duvet. This is a duvet, but we can't use it alone. If we need to use a duvet, we will also need a duvet cover. This is a duvet cover. And the importance of this one is because we can wash it every day, but the duvet can't be washed every day. We have also pillow. Pillow are in two different types. We have one in feather, which is very soft in feather. Another one in foam. After making the bed, you can't use the pillow without pillowcases. So these are pillowcases that we used when we are making the bed with the pillow. After we have decoration cushion. As the name says, you need to decorate the bed. After making it, you need to decorate the bed. So we decorate our bed with pillow, decoration cushion, and bed runner. And after decorating the bed, we are done with all bed linen that we have in a hotel. And after that, make sure that the reason why we are having this is to make us familiar with what we will use in a session that is coming in bed making. And after bed linen, we can go back to bathroom linen. We have 5 different bathroom linen. The first one is the bathroom towel. We can even call it big towel, but it's bath towel. We have also hand towel. We have also bath mat. We have also face towel. And we have gown or bathrobe. And after the bathroom linen, we can go back quickly to the amenities. Here we have different guest room amenities. When we are mentioning the amenities, we are mentioning what the guests are needed on daily basis when they stay in our hotel. So we have to take a very good care of the amenities, because most of the time is the source of the guest complaint in our hotel. Here we can start with toilet paper. Here we have shower cap. It's very helpful for those who don't want water to go through the hair. Here we have dental kit, where we can find in toothbrush with toothpaste. Here we have bar soap. Here we have slippers. Then this is a shampoo. This is shower gel. And this is body lotion. And after, we have different tissue. This is face tissue, which is in the room. It helps the guest to, the guest can use it maybe for just cleaning the face. Here we have paper tissue, mostly used in public toilets. After washing the hands, in some hotels, they can use hand towel, but hand towel are not very hygienic because one person can't use it and another one come and use it. So it's better to use paper towel. So after using your parts, you just clean your hands and you throw it out. Among the amenities, we have also what we call laundry bag. Laundry bag is useful to carry the guest's clothes for laundry. After the guest room amenities, we can go back to stationaries, different stationaries that we give to the guests during their stay in our hotel. Among the stationaries, we have guest directory. This is hotel directory, and this is the directory of our country. We have the Bible in 3 languages. We have the most important thing for the hotel. Do not disturb. This is very important for the guests. If the guest is in the room and he doesn't want anyone to enter, he have to use please do not disturb card. He put it on the door. And if he needs the quick service, he have to put please make up my room. But this is in a carton, but we can find other electronic one, which you can't carry. The guest can just plug in. If the guest plug on, you found on, you know that the guest give you the permission to enter in the room. And if you found the red side, you know that the guest is not allowing you to enter. But this one is the mostly used in hotels. Here we have also laundry list, which goes with the laundry bag that we showed before. After putting the guest clothes in the bag, the guests have to fill the form that shows the number of clothes he gave, even the price. This is guest feedback form. As I told you about the importance of housekeeping, is to make the guests feel comfortable in the hotel. So with this form, we know the guest's opinion. We know the guest's issues and the challenge that the guests face. So that's why we need guest feedback form on a daily basis in our room. After the stationaries, here we are in tea facilities. Tea facilities, it's free of charge in a guest room, and a guest have to use it to take it whenever he wants. This is a kettle the guests use to prepare water. Here we have cup and a teaspoon and a cup saucer to hold the cup. We have also different tea, different type of tea. We have green tea, we have black one and brown. We have also different type of sugar, brown sugar. We have also white sugar. We have also Nescafe. The hotel offer also water to the guests and the glass for using when the guest is taking the water. Thank you very much. I think it was very amazing to know all about this. I'm very happy to receive you in the next lesson, where we will see how are we going to use this? Where are we going to set this? How are we going to make the bed with all this linen? You are most welcome. Thank you very much.